Hello guys, and welcome to this really exciting video in which I will show you a really nice shader. Disclaimer first, I didn't make this shader. This shader was made by an amazing dude named Robin Seibold. So all credits to him, I'll link to his YouTube and his GitHub page in the description. So now let's have a look at this shader first. As you can see, it's an outline shader. It draws outlines on the screen, and also some of the edges, which is really nice. And I just plugged in my phone so we can play the game a little bit. So let's start it again. And yeah, as you can see, everything works as usual, and it's they are still the same models and everything. But yeah, we are drawing outlines on everything, which is really nice. Basically how this works is it's an image pulse processing effect. So we take in the rendered image, so this one, and then we draw lines according to some logic. In this case, we draw these lines, and as you can see, these are a lot of lines which have to be drawn after each frame. So it's pretty sure that this takes performance, of course, but also this shader or this outline effect uses the depth texture. This is just an attribute which basically describes the distance from each pixel to the object. For example, here it would be the distance between the camera and the tree pixel here. The problem is, of course, this means a lot of rays which are going out and describing the distance, and this takes performance, especially on low-end mobile devices, and I want my game to run on mobile devices, so this option, this shader, isn't for my use cases, unfortunately. So just to give you an example, on my phone I currently get around 55 FPS maximum, which is also due to the AI which is already in the game and taking on some performance because I didn't optimize it. But yeah, 55 FPS, and with just the depth texture, so some attribute enabled, not even using the shader, just the attribute takes 15 FPS from my performance, which is too much, to be honest, and so I can't use it for my game. But I want to achieve a similar look. Will not be as good, especially we have an example here. What I'm looking at is something like a wireframe shader on top of everything. So if we go into the scene view, you can see how it works on everything. And if we now disable this and go into wireframe mode, it renders nothing. Okay, why? I really don't know why it should render everything. We had to select everything first. Okay, and these are white outlines. But what is important is that for this model here, maybe I can select it. Yeah, you can see, hey, there are already some lines. Please ignore the diagonal lines. But if we draw all of the normal lines here, this would also already have a similar effect, but not the same effect as with this shader. We get the outer outlines here, which we can't get via wireframe, because the wireframe will be on top of texture. So basically there will be a line here, but we won't be able to see it because of this face which is facing to us. So this line will be basically hidden for us in the other in the thing that I want to do. But either way, I didn't manage to do it yet, because I'm still focusing on the AI, and I found a shader which basically does exactly what I want to do, but it's using a different rendering pipeline, which means I have to change the shader code, which means this is a lot of work, and I will make this after I finish the AI and everything. This was just a simple short video to show you this really amazing outline shader. And yeah, this is already it with the video. Again, this shader was not made by me. Whole credits to Robin Seibold. And yeah, I wish you an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed this short informative video. And yeah, see you next week. Bye bye.